There is a lot of terminology used to describe adhesive types. When it comes to selecting the right adhesive for your project, understanding the terminology is crucial. Flexible, rigid, and toughened adhesives are all terms you will encounter when selecting an adhesive. But what do they mean exactly? The main difference between these adhesive types is the crosslink density. All adhesives are made of polymers. These polymers are assembled in chains. Crosslinking is the bond that links one polymer chain to another. The crosslink density is the amount of crosslinking between polymer chains. Typically, flexible adhesives have reduced crosslinks, whereas rigid adhesives will have high-level crosslinks. Toughened adhesives have low to high crosslinking but contain added elastomers. Crosslinks can be formed by chemical reactions that are initiated by heat, pressure, change in pH, or irradiation. Let's have a look at the characteristics of a flexible adhesive. So by the end of this video, you will understand if this adhesive type could suit your needs.
Flexible adhesives offer a high level of flexibility and elongation. They possess the ability to accommodate movement and deformation without compromising the bond strength over time. Generally, flexible adhesives will have reduced tensile strength. Tensile elongation is the score that we use to grade an adhesive's flexibility. Any adhesive with a tensile elongation score above 10% is technically flexible. However, that number will change depending on who you ask. We'd say that a high flex adhesive will have a tensile elongation score above 100%. As we explained earlier, flexible adhesives gain their flexibility through having a lower crosslink density. Typically, the lower crosslink density will be caused by the type of polymer used in the base formulation. Examples of flexible adhesive chemistries include modified silane or MS polymers, polyurethanes used in one-component polyurethane adhesives, and some grades of methyl methacrylate polymers used in acrylic adhesives. But adhesive manufacturers can reduce the crosslink density of adhesives in a number of ways. One of the most common ways is the incorporation of plasticizers. These plasticizers allow the polymer chains to move and deform under stress, preventing brittle failure. Common applications for flexible adhesives include where the materials are subject to frequent movement, thermal expansion, impact and vibration. This typically occurs in structures exposed to varying temperatures or vibrations.
If you want to know more about the other types of adhesives or have any other bonding questions, explore our YouTube channel or go to our Knowledge Centre with the link below. Take care now.